Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Dave's Math Channel. I'm your host, David Tear, and I decided to start yet another feature on this channel called Math Tricks. So, the first trick I'm going to talk about is a trick called Guess My Age. There's actually a lot of age guessing math tricks, but I just looked this one up today and I think it's pretty neat. So, anyway, let's begin. So, here's the trick. Suppose you're at a party or something, and you can tell your friend you can guess her age. And so what you do is you ask her to do the following calculations. First, you ask her to pick a number from 2 to 10. Then you ask her to multiply it by 2, and then add 5, and then multiply the result by 50, and then add 1774 if their birthday's passed, or 1773 if it hasn't. Then ask them to subtract the year they were born. They might need a calculator for this, by the way, depending on how good they are at math. And then finally, show her your result. And it turns out that the result is going to be a three-digit number, maybe four if the number they started with was 10. And the first digit is going to be the number the secret number they started with, and the second two digits are going to be their age, assuming they're less than 100 years old, which they probably are. So anyway, let's just do an example. Suppose your friend is 27 years old and her birthday's past, and suppose she chooses the secret number 3. So then these are the calculations she'll do. She'll start with the secret number 3. She'll multiply by 2, get 3 times 2 equals 6. She'll add 5, giving her 6 plus 5 equals 11. She'll multiply that by 50, giving her 11 times 50 equals 550. She'll add 1774 to that, giving her 550 plus 1774 equals 2324. And finally, she'll subtract the year she was born. And if she's answering correctly, the year she was born was 1997. So she subtracts 1997 from 2324, obtaining the result 327. So, lo and behold, the first digit is the secret number she picked, 3, and the second two digits are her age, 27. Pretty neat. And you might wonder why this trick works. Well, I'll do an analysis. It's really not that hard. It's just kind of simple algebra here. So let's just do things algebraically. Let's let D be the secret digit or secret number she started with. And then let's let X be her age, and let's Y be the year she was born. And I'm also going to let K equals 0 if her birthday's passed and K equals 1 otherwise. So these are all the numbers we need to do this calculation. So let's see what we get after each step. So the first step, we're obviously going to have D because that's her secret number. Then she's multiplying by 2. That's going to give 2D. Then she's adding 5. That's going to give 2D plus 5. Then she's multiplying the result by 50. And if you simplify this, you get 100D plus 250. And then she's adding 1774 if her birthday's passed, or 1773 otherwise. And if you simplify the result, you get 100D plus 2024 minus K. Notice 2024 is the current year. You have to adjust this problem depending on what year it is. This problem, as stated, will only work if it's this year. In future years, you'll have to add however many years it is from now to 1774. But anyway, so that's what's to get after step 5. Finally, when she subtracts the year she was born, she gets this ugly quantity: 100D plus 2024 minus K minus Y. But now the thing you should notice here is that maybe your friend doesn't know this, but if you add anybody's age to the year they were born, you're either going to get the current year if their birthday's passed, or you're going to get one less than the current year if their birthday hasn't come yet that year. That's kind of easy to see because your age is just the number of years since you were born. And if you add the year you were born to the number of years since you were born, that should give you the current year. Maybe one less if your birthday hasn't yet come, because you're 1 year less old. So that's why this works. So now when you substitute y equals 2024 minus k minus x in the last step, lo and behold, the result you get is 100d plus x. So that, sure enough, is d's any number from 2 to 10. 100d is going to be the first digit, maybe the first two digits of the number, and then x is going to be their age. I guess they have to be at least 10 too. I forgot to mention. Well, I guess you get 0 and then their age if they're less than 10. But anyway, that's why this trick works. I think it's kind of cool. So anyway, that's my video. You might want to try this on a friend. Anyway, thank you for watching. Long live math, and I'll see you guys next time.